Hello everybody and welcome to Hawkeye FX with your host Marcus Toombs on the 29th of May 2017. Today's been a very quiet day on the market as it's a bank holiday in the UK, US and China, and if like myself you've been off, then I hope you've had a very good time. In this video I want to take a look at the week ahead, but first I want to recap last week. If you saw my blog on the 22nd of May 2017, we're looking at the daily Fatman here. We're looking for opportunities to trade euro strength, Japanese strength, US dollar weakness and pound weakness. Now the pound certainly didn't disappoint, and there were plenty of opportunities to trade pound weakness throughout the week as it weakened against all six of its major currency pairs. The euro didn't disappoint, and you can see here strong against the dollar at the beginning part of the week, against the pound throughout the week, and against the Japanese through to the end of the week. The US dollar actually held its ground not too bad against the euro and the yen, but certainly strengthened against the pound. And the yen didn't actually show too much signs of strength at the beginning of the week, but certainly it strengthened at the end of the week. Okay, so what trading opportunities are we looking for this week? You can see here on the daily Fatman, the pound is particularly weak and really low between the trend lines. And this weakness will probably endure through to the general election on the 8th of June. If we look at the pound daily charts, you can see the pound has certainly turned and coming into weakness against all of the six major currencies. The two major news items for the pound are on Thursday, with manufacturing PMI, which is expected to come out less at 56.5, and then on Friday the construction PMI expected to come out at 52, down from 53. So with this, expect the pound to come under more pressure. You can see here that the US dollar has now turned and is coming up in the charts, and this will come into strength as it approaches the halfway line and above. You can see here on the daily charts for the US dollar pairs that the US dollar is not come into trend Scion dots against any of these currencies, and so it may take a little bit of time for this strength to come into the US dollar. Now the major news items for the US dollar: pending home sales on Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change on Thursday, and the big one as always, non-farm payroll on Friday. Okay, you can see here the euro has turned on a double shoulder, and that's significant this week here. So this will bring weakness into the euro, and you can see here on the weekly chart we're getting extremely overbought, and this will turn down. On all the euro charts, you can see the dots of the trend have all condensed up and started to turn to the horizontal, or even fallen below in the case of the New Zealand. The major news announcement for the euro comes on Wednesday with the CPI reading, and this is expected to be 1.5 worse than last month, and this may well bring further weakness to this currency. Finally, with the yen, you can see here on the daily we just turned up again, so we can expect to see further yen strength this week. There's no major news out for the yen this week, but as always, the yen is susceptible to risk-off money flows. Okay, so in general terms, we're looking to trade US dollar strength, Japanese strength, euro weakness and pound weakness. But do watch out, if this pound does turn up, it can turn up quite sharply as it is so oversold. Okay, and wish you all the best for your trading this week.